1. Install the base and secure it with 4 screws. 2. Install the handbrake cable. 3. Install the limiter and secure the bolts. 4. Install the left and right side panel mounting brackets. 5. Reinstall the gear shift mechanism and secure the screws. Note that for some models, if the gear position is not vertical, a shim needs to be added on the driver's side. 6. Plug back into the original car connector. 7. Fixed control box. Connect plug number 2 to the original car wire. Insert the limiter plug of number 3. Note red positive terminal is on top, black negative terminal below. Connect number 4 to the original plug. Connect number 6 to number 69. Number 7, number 8 put aside. 8. Use the original car screws to secure the bracket. 9. Install the right side panel and secure with screws. 10. Install the left side panel and secure with screws. 11. Install the screws on both side brackets. 12. Install the bracket and secure the screws. Number 10. Connect to original plug. Number 11 put aside. Number 12, number 13, number 14, number 15 connect to original plugs. Ignore functions that the original car's base model doesn't have. Note that the original car radar should remain in its original position. Number 8 to number 17. Number 18 to original plug. Number 4 to number 19. Reserve number 20 and number 21 plugs above. 14. Get gear shifting mechanism. Connect number 7 to electronic handbrake switch. Connect number 11 to four-wheel drive switch. Insert number 16 into function switch. 15. Organize wiring harness. Fixed line position. Install the gear shift panel. 16. Install panel fixing screws. 23. To original car chassis off. Number 24. Insert into chassis lift. As the original car's low configuration, number 25 plugs into number 20. Insert number 22 to navigation plug. 18. Install panel fixing screws. 19. Connect number 4 and 26 to the original car's hill descent assist. Number 27 to plug original car MTS. Number 32 connects to number 20 small lamp wire. The confusion behavior model inserted into the original car's confusion behavior model. If there is no confusion behavior mode, insertion cannot be performed. Number 31 is a reserved empty pin. 20. Install the switch and secure the screws. 21. Install two side panels and fix the screws. 22. Insert the power cord into the USB port plug. 23. Connect number 22 to the navigation plug. 24. Insert the plug into the air conditioning panel. 25. Connect the navigation line to the original car. 26. Install the transition air outlet with original car screws. 27. Install the cover plate. 28. Install air conditioning panel. 29. Organize wiring harness and install navigation screen. Done.